In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a meeting event on Microsoft Teams. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to easily manage your calendar by removing unwanted meetings. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Teams application. Once you've launched Teams, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll find several tabs that help you navigate through the app's features. Locate the Calendar tab, which is where all your scheduled meetings and appointments are listed. Clicking on this tab will bring up your entire calendar, giving you a clear view of all the upcoming meetings that you've scheduled or been invited to. Now, it's time to identify the specific meeting you wish to cancel. Browse your calendar and find the meeting that you no longer need or want to attend. You can scroll through your upcoming events or use the search bar for quicker results. Once you've spotted the meeting, go ahead and click on it. This action will open up the meeting details window, providing you with more information about the event, such as the time, date, participants, and any related notes. With the meeting details visible, your next move is to look for the Cancel Meeting button. Depending on your version of Teams, you might find this button in different places, but it's often located in the top left corner of the details window or nestled within a drop-down menu. By selecting this option, you initiate the cancellation process for the meeting. Now, if the meeting you're looking to cancel is part of a recurring series, you'll be presented with an additional decision. Microsoft Teams will prompt you to choose whether you want to cancel just that specific occurrence or the entire series of meetings. This is particularly handy if, for example, the series of weekly catch-ups has run its course, or you simply can't attend the next one because of scheduling conflicts. After making your choice and confirming any additional prompts, your meeting or series of meetings will be successfully deleted from your calendar. This process not only helps in decluttering your schedule, but also prevents any unnecessary notifications that would distract your workflow. And there you have it. Deleting meeting events on Microsoft Teams is as simple as that. Remember, keeping your calendar organized is key to maintaining your productivity and ensuring your time is spent effectively. Feel free to revisit this tutorial if you ever need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.